Welcome to BitTrust. We're gonna show you how you can buy Bitcoin in Canada. First, let's learn about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital or virtual currency that uses peer-to-peer technology to facilitate instant payments. The price of Bitcoin went up 211% in the past year. The price of Bitcoin is currently $57,858, but don't worry, you can still buy a fraction of Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin and other coins in 3 easy steps. Step number 1. Visit one of our store locations. We are located in Toronto and Mississauga. Step number 2. We collect the money you want to invest. Step number 3. You will receive the Bitcoin in your wallet shortly. We offer low fees for buying and selling. We are here to help you set up a wallet, answer your questions, and transfer your funds securely. Contact us today if you want to learn more.